Hello everyone. Today I will explain two bedrooms, one story house design in 860 square feet. This is our floor plan. This is our front side. This is our back side. Our back side and front side, this direction distance is 24 feet. This is our right side. This is our left side. Our left side and right side, this direction distance is 36 feet. Overall, our floor plan is 24 feet by 36 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 860 square feet. So this is our main entry. Here using this main entry, we will enter here. This is our veranda. In this veranda, we have this direction 10 feet and this direction 6 feet. Overall, our veranda measurement is 10 feet by 6 feet. Here we have divan door. Divan door measurement is basically 3 feet 4 inches. We are using divan door in this floor plan as our bedroom door and this main door. So using this main door, we will enter here. This is our drawing and dining space. In this drawing and dining space, we have this direction 16 feet and this direction 20 feet 5 inches. Overall, our this drawing and dining space measurement is 16 feet by 20 feet 5 inches. In this drawing and dining space has two windows. This side here we have one window. Here we have another window. Basically, our this drawing space, these two windows length is not same as our bedroom window. So here our this window length is basically 7 feet and our bedroom window length is 5 feet. After this drawing and dining space, this left side here we have another divan door. So using this divan door, we will enter here. This is our bedroom 1. So in this bedroom 1, we have this direction 13 feet and this direction 13 feet. Overall bedroom 1 measurement is 13 feet by 13 feet. In this 13 feet by 13 feet bedroom 1 has two windows. This left side here we have one window. This side here we have another window. So viewers, bedroom window length is basically 5 feet, but our drawing and dining space, these two windows length is 7 feet. After we just again get back our this drawing and dining space, and this drawing and dining space left side here we have D2 door. D2 door measurement is 2 feet 6 inches. In this floor plan we are using D2 door, just our kitchen space door and our toilet door. So using this D2 door, we will enter here. This is our common toilet. So in this common toilet we have this direction 7 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall our this common toilet measurement is 7 feet by 4 feet. After we just get back again our this drawing and dining space, and drawing and dining space this side here we have another divan door. So using this divan door, we will enter here. This is our bedroom 2. In this bedroom 2 we have this direction 13 feet and this direction 13 feet. Overall our bedroom 2 both direction is same. So both direction we have like 13 feet by 13 feet. In this 13 feet by 13 feet bedroom 2 has two windows. This left side here we have one window, this side here we have another window. So bedroom 2 is 13 feet by 13 feet. Bedroom 2 has two windows and one attached toilet. If we want to use this attached toilet, we need to use this D2 door. So using this D2 door, we will enter our this attached toilet. So you can understand our this toilet is attached with our bedroom 2. In this attached toilet, we have this direction 7 feet and this direction 4 feet. Overall, our this attached toilet measurement is 7 feet by 4 feet. So bedroom 2 has one attached toilet and this is our attached toilet. After we just get back our this drawing and dining space, and drawing and dining space, basically this side here we have another D2 door. So using this D2 door we will enter here. This is our kitchen space. So in this kitchen space we have this direction 10 feet and this direction 8 feet. Overall our kitchen space measurement is 10 feet by 8 feet. So in this 10 feet by 8 feet kitchen space has one window. This is our this window. So viewers, now I will just show you little overview, just more understanding. So this is the main entry. After here this is our veranda, this is our main door. So main door and bedroom door both are same in this floor plan. And after this is a drawing and dining space, and drawing and dining space has two windows and that window length is basically 7 feet. Height is same, like you can take height is same but length need to big. So after this side here we have our bedroom 1 and this is our common toilet. We have only one common toilet, and this is our bedroom 2 and bedroom 2 has one attached toilet. After this side we have our kitchen space. This is basically one story house plan. Basically this plan hasn't any staircase. So if you want to staircase, like if you like this plan and in this plan you want to add a staircase, so so let us comment and we will try to provide you another plan, so that according to this plan that you will get a staircase. This is basically one story and basically village house design. So now we'll talk about the cost, and definitely if I compare to another plan, so this cost is less because that has a staircase. It means multi-story, you can do it, but here is one story, so our foundation is not that like not our foundation cost is like less because this is not high-rise building, this is not multi-story building, this is basically one-story building. So whatever I'm telling you the cost, this cost you can do structural, architectural, you maximum of tax, like maximum of tax you can do it because this is one story. So though it has like variable cost because it depends, like foundation cost is less but the material cost, like what you want to use, so many things, like door is different category, window is different category, and materials different category. Here we'll talk about like so many things cost, like so many material we just talk about together, because this is not like high structural, multi-structural, because multi-structural we're talking about basically structural, but here we will add our different kind of material. So though it's variable because it depends, it's varying your location, your soil capacity. Soil capacity is not too much important here because this is one story. And why I'm telling again and again one story, because to just understanding that this multi-story and one story is quite different, and it depends, like foundation, so many things depends. So that's why I'm just try to again and again tell same talk. So now we'll talk about the cost, and cost is here 11 lakh rupees. So definitely this is basically our cost 11 lakh rupees. And this is our simple one story house design, 24 feet by 36 feet.